On today's video, what I'm going to show you is what I consider to be some of the best ways to upload a video to YouTube in 2026. Most of the videos I've watched, they want you to come up with a name, with an idea, but I do it a little bit differently. So because my video has a lot of information, for instance, I create my text or my ideas in Gemini. You can use GPT chat, and I paste all of my text into Google Sheets. And then based on this, I use this information to create my images in Google Flow. And after I create my images, I start making a slideshow in Premiere Pro. So my tutorial is all about how to make an easy slideshow using tools like Google Flow and Adobe Premiere. So now I got to figure out how to make a thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail, and what to name this video so that people can find it easily on YouTube. So for that, I've already uploaded this video, and YouTube Studio in 2026 has Gemini built in, basically, that can scan this video and outline the most important things that my viewers are going to be searching for. So I want this AI to scan this video, so I'm going to ask it to scan this video and tell me what to put on the YouTube thumbnail, and give me ideas for titles. Give me, let's say, 30 ideas for titles that are gonna work in conjunction with the thumbnail. Then I'm gonna feed it more information. This video is firstly about making easy slideshows. In the video, I use Google Flow to create images for slideshows and Adobe Premiere Pro to make this slideshow. Okay, let's hit enter to see what it gives me. So it's given me a few ideas here, but I went ahead and I came up with my own idea. So I generated this thumbnail for myself. I'm going to leave a link in the description in this video on how to make these kind of thumbnails in Google Slides in a separate video, because this video is not about making thumbnails. So as you can see, my thumbnail is going to read easy slideshows. Okay, let's take a look at what AI suggested for titles. How I make AI educational videos in under 2 hours. I like the beginning of it, but 2 hours is a little bit pushing it. Stop wasting time, automate your YouTube slideshows with AI. The fastest way to create language lessons for YouTube, that's a good one. 10 times your video production with Google Flow and Premiere Pro. Okay, so let's go ahead and start creating titles. So we're gonna click on edit. And I really like this title right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy it. And this is a new channel, so I can't have an ABC test in here. So I'm just gonna have to use the one single title. So how I make AI educational slideshows for my YouTube. I think I'm gonna go with this title. So now I'm going to ask AI to create a 1-paragraph description for me. Give me an SEO optimized 1 paragraph for this video. Let's give it more information. Title chosen, thumbnail reads easy slideshows. Now let's take a look at the thumbnail again. We don't need to write down in the title that it was generated by AI, because you can see the images were generated by AI and that it was edited in Premiere Pro, because we got the Premiere Pro logo on the thumbnail itself. Okay, so this is your thumbnail is your showcase, and it's the first thing that the viewer is going to see and make a decision whether they want to watch it or not. So your thumbnail should scream that this is the video you were looking for. Okay. Let's head back to our video. Then I'm gonna ask, give me 6 hashtags under the description. And then I'm gonna click on create and just wait for a bit. There's our description. We can just copy and paste it in here. And you can add anything else you want in that description. Okay, let's go ahead and upload our thumbnail. And when I upload my thumbnail, I rename it with the title of YouTube video. So it also has necessary key phrases in its meta tags. Okay, that's going to be going into my Premiere Pro tutorials. Okay, let's head a little bit lower. And then this is where the tags are going, okay? So let's ask AI to create us searchable key phrases. Give me long tail and short tail searchable key phrases, comma separated, related to this video. Okay, let's copy and paste the key phrases. How to use Google Flow for slideshows, Premiere Pro AI slideshow tutorial. We got 764 out of 500, so we need to delete a few. Usually go to the back here and delete the key phrases that are on the back to make it count 500. There, I think I like that. Let's choose English. English. Okay, captions, certification, title, and description language. Same thing. English. Recording date, you can leave that blank. Video location, leave it blank. Category, I like to use how to and style for this one. This is a how-to video, so we want to be precise. Let's go ahead and save that. And there we are. We got all the necessary information for our video. Another thing I usually like to add into the videos is timelines, because Google algorithms likes timelines. So we can do the same thing here. We can ask AI to generate us our timeline. Give me a timeline with Google searchable phrases so that viewers can navigate the video easily. Scan the video first for timelines. Let's give it more information. Important info is how to generate text with Gemini, how to use Google Sheets to organize our text, how to generate images with Google Flow, and how to create the slideshow with Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's hit enter. Okay, it's generated what I asked it for, and let's go ahead and copy that. Copy and paste it in here. Let's organize it. There, so we created our timeline, but we don't want to solely rely on what AI tells us because it's not accurate. So we have to go back to our video, find the perfect timing for every key phrase that we have here. And the reason why we're doing this is so that Google algorithms can pick these up and suggest them in Google search. So our video gets more chances to be seen in Google search engines. So I checked my video and it seems that AI was pretty accurate in writing the timestamps and describing the key phrases. So I'm going to leave it like that. That's perfect. We're just going to have and schedule our video for whatever time you like and hit save. We're good to go. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. And if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.